Ramping up its cross-generational appeal with more style, features, and functionality, the 2018 Buick Enclave presents a fully modern expression of full-size luxury crossover elegance, strength, and safety. For 2018, the Enclave receives a complete makeover with new proportions defined by a lower roofline and longer wheelbase that improves aerodynamics while creating a more athletic look and increasing interior space. Available trims for the 7-passenger luxury utility vehicle include the Base, Essence, and Premium, as well as a new upmarket Avenir sub-brand model. Displaying a confident on-road presence, the Enclave underscores its first-class sensibilities with extensive LED illumination, including headlights and taillights. Standard upper and lower grille shutters enhance fuel efficiency. All trims come with roof rails. Inside the Enclave, standard 7-passenger seating features power front seats and second-row captain's chairs that flip and fold for easy access to the third row. The Avenir is further distinguished with ebony seat piping and embroidered first-row headrests. The standard infotainment system incorporates an 8-inch color touchscreen interface with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android smartphone integration. A built-in Wi-Fi hotspot simultaneously connects up to 7 devices to the Internet. The Enclave comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, sending 310 horsepower through a 9-speed automatic transmission to the front wheels or available all-wheel drive. Here are the estimates for fuel economy. Standard safety features on the 2018 Enclave include a driver front center seat mounted side impact airbag, head curtain side airbags in all 3 rows, and a rear view camera with rear park assist. Available safety systems include blind spot alert, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, and an innovative rear camera mirror that provides an unobstructed wide-angle rearward view. The Enclave is backed by a 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty. An appealing full-size luxury crossover with many levels of convenience, safety, and technology. The 2018 Buick Enclave advances its prestige with a thoughtful redesign.